When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? Put a pair of tights over your vacuum hose. This trick solves a problem you didn't even know you had. Normally, a vacuum cleaner is used for cleaning floors and carpets, but with an old pair of tights, you can use it in a whole new way. Detach the hose from the vacuum tube. You'll only need the flexible part. Insert the tights into the hose, but not completely. Fold the edge over the outside of the hose and secure it with a rubber band. This creates a makeshift filter that traps small objects inside the tights. This trick is perfect when you accidentally spill tiny items like beads, buttons, or jewelry. No need to pick them up by hand. Just turn on the vacuum and collect everything without worrying that the items will disappear into the dust bag. The tights will catch them in one place, making them easy to recover. No need for extra tools or gadgets. It's a quick, clever solution for unexpected moments. Definitely worth remembering. Put it on a hanger. It will make cleaning easier. My grandma taught me this trick, and my sisters use it too. It really helped me keep my home tidy. Often a mop can't reach certain spots, it's simply too thick, especially under cabinets or behind the fridge. But I've got a trick that will surprise you. All you need is a sock and a clothes hanger. Yes, just a hanger and a sock. With this method, you'll reach all those tricky places with ease. Just slip the sock onto the arm of the hanger like I did. For best results, use 2 socks, 1 for each side. Old or mismatched socks work perfectly. Look how simple it is. Now you can easily clean every spot that used to be a struggle. You can reach and remove all the dust under the fridge. No need to move it. Narrow gaps between cabinets. No problem with your sock-covered hanger. Even the wall behind the radiator, which no one ever cleans, will finally get dusted. Plus, it's super convenient. After cleaning, just take off the sock, shake it out, and toss it in the washing machine if you want to reuse it. If the socks were already destined for the trash, just throw them away. Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. Once you clean your mirrors with a mop, you'll never go back. Spray your mirror with your favorite glass cleaner, then grab a clean microfiber mop and start wiping. It's effortless, and you can reach every high corner without needing a ladder. No more struggling with streaks or messy cloths. Try it once with a mop, and you'll forget your old cleaning methods. This is how mirrors should be cleaned. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Put your mop in a bag, and you'll get rid of dirt and streaks on your floors for good. Simply tie the mop in a bag, and you'll eliminate the issue of dirty floors once and for all. We often leave our mops dirty and damp when we shouldn't, which can lead to the growth of mold and bacteria. But I've got a genius trick that will clean it thoroughly. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Grab a garbage bag, put the mop inside, and sprinkle 1 scoop of laundry detergent over it. Next, pour some dishwashing liquid onto the mop. Tie the bag and leave it for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mop out and rinse it in a bucket of clean water. You can repeat this process twice, and I guarantee your mop will stay clean for a long time. Give it a try. You'll see that in just a few minutes, your mop will be spotless and as good as new. This simple trick will not only extend its lifespan, but also help you say goodbye to streaky floors.